On 23rd, when he was coming out of his house to go to swimming at early morning 5:45, two people came in a Scorpio, intentionally hit him and injured him. Soon after the injury, he was taken to Mahavir Hospital, later on to a private hospital where he succumbed to the injuries. Basing on a complaint, Nampally police registered a case, crime number 206 of 2026, and started our investigation. As a part of investigation, we have arrested 7 people: Mujahid Alam Khan, Mahbub Alam Khan, Kishan, and 4 others who are involved in this offence. There is a decade-long battle between Khaja Moizuddin, senior advocate, and also Mahbub Alam Khan and Mujahid Alam Khan for administration, control, financial management of work properties of Malakpet and Lagdika Pool. Because he was a hindrance to get rid of him, Mujahid Alam Khan and Mahbub Alam Khan, with the help of Osman and Munir, conspired, and they brought in Kishan to eliminate Khaja Moizuddin by paying him 15 lakhs rupees. As a part of the plan, Mujahid Alam Khan also got a Scorpio vehicle by paying them 2 lakhs rupees. And Kishan contacted Abhijit and Manadeep alias Pogo Nani to commit this offence. As a part of this conspiracy, on 23rd, Abhijit and Manadeep were on the wheels when they intentionally hit Khaja Moizuddin and injured him. Today we have arrested all these 7 people. We have seized the Scorpio and also 10 lakhs rupees and 10,000 rupees, which was paid to commit this offence, and also mobile phones for this in the use of this offence. So these 7 accused will be produced and they will be sent to judicial custody. We'll them again take them into police custody and will interrogate to unearth the entire conspiracy. So we have to still interrogate these people. As of now, about 3 people are absconding, we are feeling, but we have to still unearth, we have to find out who are the people who are again involved in the entire conspiracy. They were in contact, they were in a part of conspiracy. This was going since last January also. Many times recce was conducted, they were reported, whatever the obstacles. Because it was a decade-long fight for a work properties, there was a conspiracy to eliminate this senior advocate Khaja Moizuddin.